Planes of projection. There are two planes of projections, namely vertical plane and horizontal plane. These two planes are at right angles to each other and form four quadrants, namely first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. In the next video, we will see about the first quadrant. First quadrant. In this, we will see about how an object can be placed in the first quadrant. It is a quadrant in which an object can be placed above the horizontal plane and in front of the vertical plane with respect to the observer. Second quadrant. In this, we will see about the location of object with respect to second quadrant. It is a quadrant in which the object is placed above the horizontal plane and behind the vertical plane with respect to the observer. Third quadrant. In this, we will see about the location of object with respect to third quadrant. It is a quadrant in which an object can be placed below the horizontal plane and behind the vertical plane with respect to the observer. Fourth quadrant. In this, we will see about the location of point with respect to the planes. It is a quadrant in which the point is located below the horizontal plane and in front of the vertical plane with respect to the observer. Projection of points. In this, we will see how a point can be projected onto the vertical plane and horizontal plane. The point can be projected onto the horizontal plane by looking from the top, and the point can be projected onto the vertical plane by looking from the front. Example problem 1. Point A is considered, which is 40 mm above the horizontal plane and 50 mm in front of the vertical plane. Solution to example 1. Draw the XY line and a vertical projector. Mark A dash 40 mm above the XY line and A 50 mm below the XY line. Example problem 2. The point B is 60 mm behind the VP and 45 mm below HP. Solution to example 2. Draw the XY line and a vertical projector. On this projector, mark front view B dash 45 mm below XY line and top view B 60 mm above XY line. Example problem 3. Subdivision A. In this, the front view will lie on XY line and the top view will lie 45 millimeters below XY line. Subdivision B. In this, the front view will lie 50 millimeters above XY line and the top view will lie on XY line. Subdivision C. In this, the front view lies 45 millimeters below XY line and the top view 20 millimeters above XY. Subdivision D. In this, the front view is 30 millimeters above XY line and the top view 50 millimeters above XY line. Subdivision E. In this, the front view lies 40 millimeters below XY line and the top view 60 millimeters below XY line. Subdivision F. In this, both front view and top view will lie on XY line itself.